Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your email in TikTok account. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on TikTok, your profile page. Click on the three bars at the top right, and then click on settings and privacy. Click on account. Click on account information, and then click on the email that is connecting to this account. So it will give you the option either change the email or unlink the email. If you want to change it, you can click on change email. So it will give you the code, send it to the email that connected to this account is 698363, and here you can input the new email. Let's say I want to change it to some random email, right? And then I'm gonna hit continue. It will show you that this email is being linked to another account, but this is just a random email. So if you actually use another email that has not been connected to another account, then you should be able to change your email. And that is how you can change the email in TikTok. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.